What's up, ladies and gentlemen, everyone between Hooker here, and today we're going to learn how to export bookmarks from Internet Explorer. Now, before we continue, I highly recommend getting an external source to save your data, like a USB, a hard drive, an SSD, or an SD card. In your case, I would recommend a USB. Why? Because it's good to have on hand. You never know what might happen to your computer, whether lightning strikes it or you have a flood. Hopefully not. But you'll always have that data on hand, whether it's in a safe drawer somewhere or wherever. So if you're using Windows 7, we're going to go down to the lower left hand side and click the start button, which is going to have the Windows logo. Once you click that, it's going to prompt a menu. At the bottom of that menu is going to be a search bar. Click the search bar. Now let's type in Internet. Internet should be enough to prompt the Internet Explorer icon. Now, the Internet Explorer icon is going to be a blue E with a yellow ribbon. Let's click that. If this is your first time using the computer, there's a good probability that MSN is going to be your default web page. If you're an Xfinity member, there's a good probability that the Xfinity web page is going to be your default page. For me, I like to use Google. It's safe, it's quick, it's reliable. Whether it's one of the three pages, what we're looking for is the menu bar. Now, there's a good chance that you're not seeing the menu bar. So we're going to go into the blank space up above. It doesn't matter where you click, but we're going to right click it. It's going to prompt another menu. The first option should be menu bar. Now let's click that. You're going to see File, Edit, View, Favorites, Tools, and Help. Let's go to the first option, which should be File. Let's go all the way to the bottom, third from the bottom, and hit Import and Export. Because we're exporting the files, we're going to go to Export Files. We want to save our favorites, our feeds, our cookies. You already know what your favorites are. They're your bookmarks. All feeds are really simple syndication, which is just fancy for all your news information goes to one area. And your cookies is just if you go to a cooking recipe site and it just so happens to be French and you have the option to translate it, the next time you return to that site, the information saves your data and also your web page saves that data. So you don't have to retranslate the page. It's already has the information in there from the first time that you visited. And we're just going to go down to Next. And from Next, we have the option to pick individual folders favorites to save or the entire thing. So if I just want to save my MSN websites, I can just click that and then hit the next button. But in this case, I want to save everything. So I'm going to go to the top favorite option. And from there, I'm going to go down to Next. From Next, I'm going to make sure that my USB or my external saving device is plugged in. Now we'll just go to Browse. From Browse, let's find our external saving device. And I see the USB right here. And we're just going to open that. We're going to leave it as bookmark. I'm just going to save them. I'm going to hit Next. Next. Export. Everything has been saved to my external device. And I'm just going to hit Finish. And it's as simple as that to save your bookmarks. They'll be sitting right here. And if you guys have any questions at all, leave the questions below. Feel free to check out my channel for more tutorials. This is Hooker, signing out.